in a crowded world of passing shadows. I walked a winding path alone. Then you appeared like sudden sunlight, the sweetest grace I've ever known, the sweetest grace I've ever known. No other star could shine as bright, no other star could shine as bright. You turned my darkness into light. You are my gift from up above, a harbor in a stormy sea. My heart is safe within your love, for you are all the world to me. The shadows fade as seasons alter, the deepest winter turns to gold.